One may imagine that with brains that evolved slightly differently, we might be having a completely different discussion and not agreeing that harm is wrong and to that likes. And everything that's happened in human history or the history of the planet has been for our benefit, for evolutionary benefit, either by ridding us of the less fit or by preserving the more fit. And this is why people such as Sam Harris and Michael Roos and others can actually argue that rape played a beneficial evolutionary role because it performed a certain act of increasing the rapist's ability to procreate. And indeed, when Richard Dawkins was asked whether the fact that rape is immoral is as arbitrary as the fact that we evolved to have 5 fingers instead of 6, well, he responded in the affirmative. And so one may wonder if perhaps in places such as Haiti that just suffered drastic and sudden reduction in population level, maybe rape will make an evolutionary comeback and perhaps a moral comeback. And at this point, we may ask whether something is moral because nature selected it, or whether nature selected it because it is moral. Well, at bottom, there's really no such question in nature. The only thing, if we may anthropomorphize, the only thing nature cares about is survival and reproduction. It cares not for morality. You may reproduce and survive by being moral or not. In fact, truth is not relevant in nature. You may survive and reproduce by ascertaining certain empirical facts, indeed, but you may also do the same by living a completely deluded. The only thing that matters is survival. Because we might as well take a clue perhaps from the lemmings and follow in their footsteps, pun intended, and perhaps take turns committing mass suicides. Or perhaps from the apes we could learn to fight violent battles over territory and resources. I could very well agree with you that harm is wrong and still decide to go and do it, right? Because it could benefit me, it could benefit my particular in-group.